There it is again, another get-rich-quick scheme promising to turn my struggling business into an overnight success. Yeah, right. The only thing growing faster than my debt is the pile of laundry in the corner of my bedroom. But hey, at least I look fabulous in this lighting, right?
Look, I get it. You're here because your business is, well, as alive as this cat. But fear not. I'm here to share some digital marketing secrets that will hopefully not involve selling your soul to the clickbait overlords. Now, before you get all excited, let me warn you, this ain't no magic potion. It takes effort. But hey, at least you won't have to sell your firstborn to the algorithm gods.
Maybe not.
Unless the algorithm gods have a thing for slightly used pajamas. Just saying. Alright, let's talk about the holy trinity of online advertising. Google ads, YouTube ads, and Facebook ads. These three, when combined, are a marketing monster that can devour your competition in no time. But don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly what to do. First up, Google ads. It's like having a personal PR team whisper your brand's name to everyone searching for something vaguely familiar to your product or service. You see, you simply search for best cat toys for bored felines. And just like that, your ad for, what even is that, shows up magically. It's like mind control, but less creepy, of course. Unless you're the cat. Google offers very specific targeting options, as well as the use of keywords. So to grow your business early on, using keywords related to your product or service gets you that visibility that you wouldn't get from your brand name. So use specific keywords broken out by theme for the different product or service that you offer. This will help you grow really quickly early on. If you are looking for a more detailed breakdown of Google Ads and you want to learn because there's a lot more to be taught, just click on the pop-up banner at the top and it will take you to a playlist on my channel with all the other Google Ads videos. This is nice. Now, let's talk about YouTube ads. Picture this, millions of viewers glued to their screens watching cat videos. Because, let's be honest, that's all YouTube is. Suddenly, your ad pops up, showing your outstanding line of self-cleaning litter boxes. It's a marketer's dream. But beware, the competition on YouTube is fierce. You need an ad that is catchy, informative, and most importantly, doesn't make viewers want to reach for the skip button faster than you can lunge for that glass that's just on the edge of the table and your cat is just coming to knock it off. So now you're probably wondering, what makes a good YouTube ad? Well, remember, most ads can be skipped after 5 seconds. So to avoid this, we want to ensure that our ad gets to the point really quickly. The most important information you can give needs to be in the first 5 seconds. The people who are interested after that point are then going to watch the rest of the ad. So what you're able to do is then only pay for the people who are actually interested in your ad. You see, this is great because you're able to figure out who your target audience is without having to spend lots of money. Another option is to use a catchy jingle, make a funny joke, whatever you can do to get someone to watch past the 5 seconds. It's important that you use your branding clearly and make it obvious that, yes, we know it's an ad, but this is our brand, go and search for us. That's the whole deal with YouTube ads, is that you want people to search for your brand name or your product after watching the ad. Now, if you don't mind, I've got to catch some rays. And finally, we have Facebook ads. It's like a virtual party where you can subtly promote your products to your friends while they're scrolling through their ex's new vacation pictures.
Come on, man!
The beauty of social media. But seriously, Facebook ads can be incredibly powerful if you target them right. You can laser focus on your ideal customer, whether they're cat lovers who spend most of their time arguing what is the best breed on online forums, or people like me who wear pajamas during work hours. Facebook ads is great because not only can you target people, you can retarget people based on how they've interacted with your website. Meaning that if someone visits your page, adds a product to the cart, but doesn't check out, you can take that product and show it to them again and again and again every time they're on Facebook or Instagram. Look, digital marketing isn't easy. It takes time, experimentation, and maybe a few couple gallons of coffee. But with the right strategy, you can turn your online presence from the dusty corner of the internet to a sales magnet.
Remember, you don't have to become a clickbait overlord or sell your soul to the algorithm gods. Just be informative, be creative, and most importantly, be relatable. Because let's face it, everyone loves a good laugh, even the algorithm gods. Probably.
So, are you ready to take your business online and conquer the digital marketing beast? Great, because guess what? I'm selling a course that will teach you everything you need to know. Just kidding. There's more than enough free information out there to get you started. So, go forth and conquer the online world. And for the love of all things fluffy, please don't sell your pajamas. I wonder, is there a way that I can get this message across in a more memorable way? Perhaps a song?
Stuck in my basement, feeling low. Scrolling through YouTube, where do I go? Click on a vid, it's the ad guru, teaching me tricks to make my dreams come true. Gotta conquer the web, getting out of this rut. No more grinding away and exploring old huts. Hey, ad guru, show me what to do. Gonna grow my biz with a click or two. Hey, you're my phone broad tree. Riding high on clicks with my Google Ads team. For keywords and bits, I'm learning the ropes. No more wasting time, no more losing hope. Target the masses, reaching out wide. Watching my profits shoot up to the sky. No more 9 to 5, no more boss taking control. Whatever the cost, setting my sights on that digital goal. With every view, my story unfolds. Story unfolds, hey, what to do? Gonna grow my biz with a click or two. Hey, I'm a front rock tree. Riding high on clicks with my Google Ads team. From the basement to the top, it's a punk rock rise. Thanks to the guru, I got my prize. Hey, guru, this one's for you. Turn my punk rock dreams into something true.